Hello guys, this is iOS Pro Hacker. Is your iPhone showing iPhone unavailable, security lockout, or iPhone is disabled? This usually happens when the wrong screen passcode is entered too many times, or when you forget the passcode completely. Once the iPhone reaches this screen, you cannot use it normally until the device is reset. In today's video, I will show you how to fix this problem on your own iPhone using a computer without using iTunes. Before we start, there is one important warning. Resetting a forgotten iPhone screen passcode will erase the data stored on the device. Now let's begin. For this tutorial, I am using Tenorshare for UKey. You will find the official download link in the video description. Download the software. Once the download is complete, install and open Tenorshare for UKey. Here you can see the main interface. For UKey includes different tools for supported iPhone situations. You may see options related to iPhone screen passcode reset, screen time passcode, Apple account support, MDM related situations, password management, factory reset, and activation lock guidance for supported devices. In this video, our main problem is the forgotten iPhone screen passcode. So select the option for removing or resetting the iOS screen passcode. Now connect the iPhone to the computer using a reliable USB cable. If the software cannot detect the iPhone normally, it will ask you to put the device into recovery mode. For iPhone 8 and newer compatible models, quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button. Keep holding it even when the Apple logo appears. Release the side button only when the recovery mode screen appears. Once the iPhone is detected, now click the download button. For UKey will download the firmware package required for your iPhone. The firmware file can be several gigabytes, so use a stable internet connection and make sure your computer has enough free storage. Keep the iPhone connected while the firmware is downloading. Once the download is complete, the software will verify and begin the screen passcode reset process. Before continuing, remember again that this process will erase the iPhone. Continue only if this is your own device and you understand the data loss warning. Now click Start Remove, Start Unlock, or the button shown in your version of For UKey. The software will begin resetting the iPhone screen passcode. During this process, your iPhone may restart several times. You may see the Apple logo, a loading bar, a black screen, or the recovery mode screen. This is normal. Do not disconnect the USB cable. Do not close For UKey. Do not shut down or restart the computer. Just wait until the process is complete. Once the process has finished, the iPhone will restart and display the initial setup screen. This means the unavailable screen and forgotten screen passcode have been removed, and the iPhone is ready to be set up again. Now choose your language. Select your country or region, connect the iPhone to Wi-Fi, and continue through the setup screens. Now continue through the remaining setup steps. Create a new screen passcode, set up Face ID or Touch ID, and complete the setup. Once you reach the home screen, your iPhone is ready to use again. So this is how you can fix the iPhone unavailable, security lockout, or iPhone is disabled screen when you forget the screen passcode on your own iPhone. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to iOS Pro Hacker, and turn on notifications for more iPhone tutorials, iOS fixes, and recovery guides. Thanks for watching. This is iOS Pro Hacker, and I will see you in the next video.